Hey, this is Rick, and today I'm going to be trying to cut down this tree right here. Well, you know, this is a rental, and I don't want any later on problems with the roof because you know, all the leaves are going on the roof. But the problem is this branch right here is leaning towards the house. Yeah. So I got to get up there and do a little hacking and see what I can do. Well, I didn't think it'd go that good, but it went good. It's an awfully big limb. Well, not too big. That's what I got left over right there. I always get the big stuff. Well, like 2 inches or bigger. I always keep that because I have a wood burning stove. But most of the time I try to do is cut the branches that make it more weight towards the house. The ones that are up there that are leaning towards the house, you know, I just cut them, and so hopefully it falls the right way. But yeah, so I got to get that out of the way and get ready for my next cut. Okay, let's see. Hopefully everything goes right. If not, this will be a viral video.